Listen to the land, listen to the land.
Hi everyone! Ko-osh.
Ko-osh.
Cameraman's back there. I decided to surprise Chewy with something he actually has never had, but I know he's gonna love. For all you EPCOT Sunshine Seasons fans, who remembers the Croissant Berry Pudding? I've heard it called numerous things. That stuff rocked. It's the only thing I've ever eaten at Sunshine Seasons, and I have such a hard time saying that. And it pains me that it's gone away. And I was flipping through someone's Instagram account and I came across a photo of the recipe and I'm like, I'm gonna make it for Chewy. So I hope he likes this. This is the recipe I'm following. 5 eggs. We got the 5 eggs. Let's see, I wanna make sure I'm gonna do this. Combine eggs, cream. We have 24 ounces. You can tell I've never been on a cooking show. 24 ounces of heavy cream. Ooh, it's hard to do it one-handed. Are you getting a good shot of that pouring in there? Okay. Then we have 3/4 cups. Where can I put this? Let's put that over there. 3/4 cups of sugar. 1, 2. How am I doing, Christian? Am I good enough to be a part of your team? Okay, we're done with that. And my phone shut off. A tablespoon of vanilla. Can you hand me the, and our vanilla is from Mexico. The special groovy. Vanilla smells so good, doesn't it? Does this smell alright or should we use the other one?
Smell alright.
It's got a different smell than ours, but then this is an imitation. That's a lot of vanilla. We have already washed our blueberries down here in the sink. Clean as you go, clean as you go. Okie dokie. We have to spray the pan. Well, while Chewy takes over whisking all that stuff together, I should have probably beaten the eggs together first. Earlier this evening, I baked all these croissants. Yum! And while he's finishing that, let's put the camera somewhere.
See, it's coming.
And we just break it up into chunks. Ooh, they're very buttery.
Just make believe you're a tiny little seed. A tiny little seed that's reaching up to meet your need.
To recap what's in the pan, I broke up 4 croissants on the bottom, layered that with about a pint of blueberries, topped it off with 4 more croissants, and Chewy's about to pour the mixture all over the yumminess. Sorry for the overhead lighting. This can soak anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, or it says overnight. You need to stir it again because it's all
Lumpa lumpa.
Yeah, it's the sugar was settling. Sorry, so we're going to soak it overnight. That was one of the other options. And then we'll bake it tomorrow for breakfast. I don't know, that's a lot for 2 people.
We'll save the rest.
Here's my man helping in the kitchen.
I enjoy doing this with you.
Yeah, it's fun when 2 people do it. Oof. I don't know if we're gonna have enough croissants. We may end up with like a weird, I don't know. I didn't weigh out, it said a pound of croissants. I don't know. So we're gonna wrap this girl up, put her in the refrigerator till tomorrow morning, and go enjoy what's left. Well, it's 9:30 already.
All right. Then I'm gonna drop it.
Did you make room for it? Whoops, I can't see. So there it is for its evening. We have to rearrange we're gonna make chili on Sunday, so that's some ground beef that is defrosting. Yeah, we need to tidy up that fridge. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Ko-osh. Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning. We're so excited because Diane makes some recipe.
As you all saw last night, it's time to go in the oven.
For an hour. Fortunately, we have to wait an hour for
Let's
it.
get an extreme close-up. There we go. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
All right, put that baby in. We have a tray in there that's covered in case there's overflow. Here we go. Alexa, set timer for 1 hour. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Yum. Okay, now it's time to clean.
No, I'm not excited.
Ko-osh.
Ko-osh.
It's ready. We're so excited. We're letting it just cool down just a touch. Yeah, it didn't boil over, so next time I know I don't need the tray underneath it. All right, here's the moment of truth. Everything you had hoped for?
And more. It's really good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Maybe we can make this can be our like Christmas Day.
It's really good.
It tastes just like I remember it. EPCOT, the Land Pavilion, Sunshine Seasons. I wish they would bring this back to the menu. It's so good. Well, thanks for coming along and watching us make the Croissant Berry Pudding. And we'll see you next time.
Ko-osh.